Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce price management time with Price2Spy detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce price management time with Price2Spy, start by creating a Price2Spy account. Visit the Price2Spy website and click on the sign up link. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email, and company details. Confirm your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Begin by adding your products to the system. Click on the Products tab and select Add New Product. Enter relevant details such as product name, category, and SKU. Import a list of products in bulk using the Import feature. Prepare a CSV file with your product data, ensuring it matches Price2Spy's format. Upload the CSV file and confirm that the products were added successfully. Next, set up your competitors for price monitoring. Go to the Competitors tab and click Add New Competitor. Input the competitor's website URL and any specific parameters needed for monitoring. Choose the frequency of price checks based on your needs. Schedule the data extraction process to run automatically. Use the data extraction feature to collect pricing updates. Check the results in the monitoring section of your dashboard. Review the pricing data collected to identify trends and discrepancies. Utilize the Alerts feature to receive notifications on price changes. Set rules to automate pricing adjustments based on competitor activities. Navigate to the Rules section to create custom pricing strategies. Once set up, Price2Spy can adjust your prices according to the conditions defined in your rules. Analyze reports generated by Price2Spy to assess pricing performance. Go to the Reports tab to access different report formats. Utilize these insights to make informed pricing decisions quickly. Implement the insights gained to refine your pricing strategy continuously. By establishing a routine with Price2Spy, you can save valuable time on price management. This will allow you to focus on other critical aspects of your business. Regularly revisit your settings and competitors to ensure your strategy remains effective. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.